Thank you for tuning in to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Congratulations, your company has successfully navigated the FDA's De Novo process, bringing a novel medical device to the U.S. market. Now, your sights are set on Brazil, Latin America's largest market. The question is, how does that prestigious De Novo grant translate to a registration with Brazil's health regulatory agency, ANVISA? First, we must establish a critical fact. ANVISA does not have a direct reciprocity or automatic approval system based on an FDA grant. While your De Novo approval provides a robust and compelling data package, you must still follow Brazil's specific regulatory process. Your FDA success is a powerful asset, not a passport. The journey begins with device classification. Brazil uses a 4-tier, risk-based system, classifying devices from Class 1, low risk, to Class 4, high risk, much like the European Union. Your device's classification under ANVISA's rules is the single most important factor, as it dictates the entire registration path. For devices classified as low to moderate risk, specifically Class 1 and 2, the pathway is called notification, which is Portuguese for notification. This is a streamlined process where a full technical file review is not conducted by ANVISA prior to market entry. A significant advantage of the notification route is that the registration does not expire. Given that De Novo devices are typically considered low to moderate risk, this is a likely pathway. In contrast, high-risk Class 3 and 4 devices must undergo the more rigorous registro pathway, which involves a full technical review by ANVISA and results in a registration that is valid for 10 years. Regardless of the pathway, foreign manufacturers cannot register a device on their own. You must appoint a Brazil registration holder, or BRH. This is a local entity legally established in Brazil that submits the application on your behalf, holds the official registration, and assumes regulatory responsibility for the device within the country. This is where your De Novo submission becomes invaluable. The comprehensive data you compiled for the FDA, including performance and biocompatibility testing, risk management files, and clinical evidence, will form the core of your technical dossier. Even under the simplified notification pathway, your BRH must compile this dossier and have it ready for a potential audit by ANVISA at any time. All essential documents, including labeling and instructions for use, must be meticulously translated into Brazilian Portuguese. Finally, we advise checking for any additional required certifications. If your device is electromedical, it will likely require in-metro certification for electrical safety. If it incorporates telecommunication technology like Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, it will need separate approval from Anatel, the National Telecommunications Agency. Overlooking these can cause significant delays. Navigating the nuances of ANVISA registration is a complex process, but leveraging your existing FDA De Novo data provides a tremendous head start. If your company needs expert guidance to navigate global market access in Brazil or other countries, we invite you to see how Pure Global can help. Thank you for listening, and we will see you next time.